Pakistan International Airlines, which was once established in 1960s, became one of the best, rather the best international airline, which helps the progression and the making up of the today's best airlines, as Emirates and Qatar Airways went into debt and deficit due to the rampant corruption over time. But the government of Pakistan in 2025 took a bold initiative and step and privatized the 75% stakes of Pakistan International Airlines. What did this 75% of privatization of Pakistan International Airlines means? It means that the recent positive development that has been recorded for the national flag carrier, that from now on, in fact from March 29th, 2026 onwards, not one, not two, rather 4 weekly returns will be ensured and will be done by Pakistan International Airlines to London. The Pakistan International Airlines, which was once barred in 2020 by an irresponsible statement of the then aviation minister that most of the PIA pilot licenses are dubious, and that became the reason that Pakistan International Airlines was incorporated into the air safety list of United Kingdom and was banned to travel. But now, after an hiatus of 6 years, Pakistan International Airlines has revived its journey and its travel towards London directly. That will happen around 4 times weekly for March 29, 2026. An official spokesperson of Pakistan International Airlines said that United Kingdom, especially London, had been the most significant and first international destination for Pakistan International Airlines, and it remains significant and important for PIA's flights throughout. Moreover, this 75% privatization that is done by the current government of Pakistan had started bearing its fruits from now on in the form of the first direct journey to London and the new trust that the international airports and international countries are going to invest in Pakistan International Airlines once again.